Let me show you how to make beverage Can Mockup in Adobe Dimension. Click on free icon and follow the settings. Click on Create. From Models, select Beverage Can. Rotate X-axis to 90 degrees. You can also change angle from Properties. Drag Z-axis upwards. From Beverage Can, select Can. From that, select Can Material. Change the base color to black. Keep roughness up to 35%. 45% metallic. From Action, select Place Graphic on Model. Select the PNG image. Place the image accordingly on Can. Hold Shift key to resize image. Select Graphic. Keep roughness up to 20% and metallic to 45%. Select the can. Press Ctrl plus C to make copy. Press Ctrl plus V to paste it. Hold Y-axis to place can. Similarly, follow the same process to make multiple can copies. Drag and select all. Press Ctrl plus G to group it. From Action, select Align and Distribute. Click on Distribute Z. Make a copies of can. Drag and select all. Again, select Align and Distribute to distribute axis. Set the camera angle. Double-click on this can. Change the base color to red. Select Environment. Set intensity up to 80% and rotation to 10%. Click on Render Preview. Check the render preview. After that, go to render. Follow the setup. You can select format as you wish. Select file location. Click on render. It will take some time to render. This is the final result. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.